Good morning, everyone. So, today we're gonna be going for grocery shopping by bike, and I mean not the motorbike but the manual bike. It's been long since I worked out, so I thought I might as well get some exercise by cycling. I kind of fixed the GoPro just to get some good footage. So, meet you at the grocery store. Wow, just such beautiful weather, man. The only reason I'm taking out cycle today is not because of exercise or something like I said. It's just because of the weather. Bangalore looks so nice when it is like this. Looks like I'm riding in some hill station or something. Again, apart from the metro work and the traffic, what you guys are seeing is the Jayanagar 5th block market, not the main market, but this market too is very nice. You get all kinds of vegetables, fruits, flowers, temples. By going down these roads, you get a feeling that you're in old Bangalore, right? So right now I'm heading towards Simply Namdari. This is somewhere near Ashoka Pillar, Bangalore. I believe this is opened long time back, but I kind of saw it a couple of weeks back, and just the feel of it was very nice. And you would have watched in TVs and all. I mean, you would have watched in TV shows and all how the US supermarket looks. I kind of get a feel that it is somewhere similar to that. Any which ways, I needed some grocery items, so I thought I might as well visit that once and just get a feel of it. And what more can you do during this lockdown? You just have to enjoy the small bits of happiness. Almost feels like I'm riding in Sakleshpur minus the buildings. I mean, I had been there last week, so in case if you guys haven't seen that vlog, please go ahead and watch it. Have you guys ever seen Jayanagar so empty? Top of that, I'm going in an opposite direction. Eventually, it doesn't make much of a difference. There are no vehicles at all here. Ideally, you should come here once in a while like this, because obviously after these days, even if you want to see Jayanagar like this, you wouldn't be able to see it like this. It just feels so nice to come down here, man. This is the area wherein you can sit outside and have some snacks. And not to forget, there are some live counters as well, wherein there are freshly baked cookies, cakes and stuff. So you can purchase anything from here and then go outside and have your snacks. Very neatly done. Shopping is done. Grocery shopping to be precise. Those of you guys who do not know, I have this cycle. It's a GT Avalanche. I almost took this some 7 or 8 years back, but I'd ridden very less, trying to make a point to ride it every other week. Now we're doing some off-roading as well. No matter where there is sunlight or not, there'll never be sunlight near my room. Can you see this crack here? This happened because of stone hit while I was coming. But thankfully I have a screen guard on top of it, so I can just replace it. Initially I was wondering if the screen guard is required or not. It came into use now. That's it guys. If you like this short and simple vlog, or you may call it a grocery shopping vlog, or a Jayanagar lockdown vlog, or a simply Namdari vlog, call what you may. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe as well. Bye bye.